In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sum product formula in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're working on personal finances or preparing a professional report, mastering this versatile formula can make you significantly more efficient. So let's dive right in and break down each step to ensure you get the hang of this fundamental Excel feature. First, open your Excel file where you want to apply the sum product formula. It's helpful to have your data ready and organized in rows or columns that you plan to work with. Imagine you're working with two columns of numbers and you want to compute their product sum. Begin by deciding which cell will display your answer. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's choose an empty cell at the bottom of your data set. Once you've located your desired spot, go ahead and left-click on it to activate it. With your chosen cell highlighted, it's time to input the formula. Start by typing an equals sign. The equals symbol is essential as it indicates to Excel that you're about to input a formula. Next, begin typing the word sum. As you do this, a helpful drop-down menu will appear showing suggestions related to what you've typed. Look for sum product in the list. This function is specifically designed to calculate the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or arrays. When you see sum product, left double-click on it to select it. This action is crucial as it tells Excel that we're using this particular function. Now it's time to input the specific cells or ranges you want to calculate. Let's say your two sets of numbers are in column A and column B, spanning rows 1 through 10. You should select these ranges carefully. Highlight the entire first range of cells by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired cells. For example, A1 to A10. Once you've selected your first range, type a comma. In Excel formulas, a comma acts as a separator, allowing you to specify multiple cells or ranges for certain functions. After typing the comma, select the second range, which in our example would be B1 to B10. Highlight these cells just as you did with the first set, using your mouse for accuracy and ease. Once you've selected both ranges, your formula should now reflect these selections. We're coming to the final step. Simply press Enter. Excel will process the formula and display the resulting value, which is the sum of the products of each corresponding pair of numbers in your selected ranges. And there you have it. By following these steps, you effectively use the sum product formula in Excel. Remember, it's important to double check to ensure the correct ranges are highlighted. With that, you've unlocked a powerful tool that can simplify your Excel tasks significantly. Feel free to experiment with different data sets and enjoy the efficiency this formula brings to your spreadsheet work.